Hey, adventurers! Welcome to Budget Ventures, the go-to spot for exploring the globe without depleting your savings. Globetrotter, budget travel aficionado, and your guide to venturing far and wide on a dime. My journey began with a simple quest: to see the world without letting finances hold me back. Through years of trial, error, and countless adventures, I've transformed my budget constraints into a passport to the world's hidden corners, learning the secrets to stretching every dollar, euro, and peso along the way. On Budget Ventures, we dive into the nuts and bolts of budget travel. From scoring the cheapest flights to finding the coziest, most affordable corners to lay your head at night, and even how to savor the flavors of the world on a budget. But Budget Ventures is more than just about saving money. It's about enriching your soul with experiences, connecting with cultures, and collecting stories, not things. It's about the joy of discovery, the thrill of the unknown, and the bonds formed across language barriers and cultural divides. What's in it for you? Every week we'll share actionable tips, destination guides, budget hacks, and personal insights that will empower you to embark on your own budget ventures with confidence and curiosity. Whether you're planning your first solo trip, or you're a seasoned traveler looking to stretch your budget further, Budget Ventures is your community. Here, we believe in making the world accessible to everyone, one budget-friendly adventure at a time. So, if you dream of exploring the world without breaking the bank, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and join us at Budget Ventures, where every journey begins with a dream and a budget. Subscribe now, and let's set off on an adventure that proves the best things in life aren't things at all. They're experiences. See you on the road.